Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create slow motion edit using CapCut on PC. Alright guys, here I have already created a project on my CapCut PC, and as you can see that I have imported my video as well to my CapCut project. And the first thing you have to do if you want to create slow motion edit is clicking on the clip like this until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to click on speed, and we want to reduce the speed of the video, so we can go left like this to reduce the speed. And if you want to make it smoother, you can click on smooth Slowmo right here. Then you have to wait until the process is completed. Wait until 100%. And now let's just take a look at the result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, and this is the slow motion effect or slow motion edit in CapCut. Alright guys, and that's how we can create slow motion edit using CapCut application on PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.